Hi, my dear crafters. One more project for your craft fair, your gift giving, your Christmas. Guys, today I am bringing you magic. You will not believe how easy it is to make this box. This is the easiest box you'll ever make. You can make like 100 of these a day, no problem. And guess what? No glue needed. Can you believe that? Look at this. Look how amazing it is. And I made this. I did all the measurements for our wonderful lip balms. Look at that. Amazing. And let me tell you the size of the lip balm because I know they're different. That's why I always have a link to this one so you don't get it wrong. 2.5. And this is like 1/2 inch. It's more like 5/8 of an inch. So because there are some that are a little taller. Anyway. But guys, you will be absolutely amazed by this box today. This is not my idea. I found this on Pinterest months and months ago, and then I lost it, and finally I found it again this morning. And I said, okay, I have to make this box before I lose it again. Because I don't know if you guys are like this, I keep all my ideas in different places, and then I don't know where they are. So her box was bigger, but it's the same with this. It makes it the same way. I just changed the measurements because I wanted something for lip balm. For you guys to make your din-dins, we say in Brazil, we say money is, a funny name for money is din-din. So you make your money and you sell your, and also of course stocking stuffers, amazing. It's beautiful, it's elegant, and it takes you about 2 minutes to make, honestly. So without further ado, this is a long intro, and I'm going to show you how to make it now. And please guys, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I really want to reach 30,000 this year, and it depends on you. It's quick, it's just one click, and it's free, and it really helps me. Thank you so much. So let's get ready for the magic. We need a tiny piece of paper that is 3 This is 3 3/4 by 3 1/4 of an inch. Very easy, very easy. And you can use your scraps, guys. With a 12 by 12, you can make 9 of these. Amazing. So, piece of paper for the belly band, if you're going to use the belly band, 3.5 by 1.5. And I will show you how to do that. So we're going to score first on the 3 1/4 inch. And I'm going to zoom in so it's easy for you. We're going to score at 5/8 of an inch, 1 1/4 inch, 2, I'll have the measurements in the description, 2 5/8 of an inch. Then you're going to flip and score at 5/8 of an inch again, and 3 1/8 of an inch. That's it for your scoring. And now I like to, before we do the other 4 scoring lines that we need to do for the magic to happen, I like to fold in the scoring lines. Now let me show you, and I'm going to use my pencil here so that you see. We have basically, I'm gonna use my pencil so you see. These are the scoring lines on both sides, right? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We need to score from here to here, and then on the other side, same thing, from here to here. So this is something we're going to do with our scoring tool, but we don't need the big one. Same thing here on the other side. I want you to really see this because you may not have done this before. Same thing here. We're going to score here. Always the second from the bottom up and from the top down. So the second like this, second like this. So basically that's the scoring line we need to do. And the way I do it is I just use, I like to do it on this side because it's easier. So I'm going to go really close now because I want you to really know how to do this. I use my stylus, use whatever you use for scoring. So you make sure that you're going to score from the very top here, right here, right where it meets. See, this from here to here. So we're going to do just that. It's too thick. Okay. Gonna do the same here. Gonna turn and do the same right here. And guys, I have made a template that actually shows if you want to customize your box, just send me an email to craftingwithpaula@gmail.com and I will send the template to you. So you can look at this and it makes it easier. So I'm going to just do this folding, the scoring lines, because these scoring lines are what makes the magic happen. So basically this is it. That's the outside of the box. I'm going to zoom out a little bit. It's a little too close. So see this? We have this scoring line here and this one here. We're going to fold it in like that. Exactly like that. And I like to just pinch and really make this strong here on the corner. Same thing with the other ones. We're going to pinch here on the corners. And here's what we're left with. Now watch the magic happen. We're going to fold one up and the other one will fold on itself. And there we go, we have our box. Guys, honestly, look at this. Isn't that amazing? And there's no need for glue. The box is there. I like to close this. That's why I use the belly band. But honestly, let's do this again, guys, because I want you to see this. So we have the box open like that. Scoring lines here. I'm going to fold it in. Fold it in. And then all we need to do is just fold it up. And the other one will fold up and close the box. Guys, honestly, please leave me a comment. Isn't this magic? I know I'm silly, but I just fall in love with these things, guys. So the belly band, very easy. You can just score the scoring lines for the 3 1/4. I don't need to do that. I honestly think it's a waste of time. So I just place it right here on the bottom and I just kind of fold it like this freely. Like this, close it. I pinch it a little bit on the sides here. And then I'm going to straighten these scoring lines. It's honestly the easiest way to do this and the fastest way, and you need no tools. So now that you have all the scoring lines, oh, sorry, I was off camera. So I just folded it and now I'm gonna glue it. So this is the bottom. It's perfectly folded now, see? Look at that. Oh my gosh, I love this box so much. I'm in love. It's so great when you do something you love because I really get excited. This is not for the cameras, guys, but you guys know me. You know that's true. So there you go. Press it in and now just embellish it. I'm going to use, for this one of my beautiful Santas. This is my favorite sticker from Hobby Lobby. Every year I buy some because look at these. They're amazing and they're very shiny. So I'm gonna get one of these. Oh no, I just tore it. That's okay, nobody will notice. I'm gonna put it right there. Not good. Move it, Paula, move it. Okay, right here. Oh, I tore the hat. That's okay. And there you go. We have a beautiful, magical box, guys, honestly. This is the best. And you can make this in so many sizes because all you need to do is just change the width, change the height. So look at that. Best boxes ever. And let me get, you know what I forgot to do? I forgot to put our lip balm inside. Let me go get it. Here it is. And it's perfectly Perfect size. Look at this. Put it inside. And there you go. Whoops. Sorry. So push it in. Where's my little Santa? There you go. And we have our beautiful box yet again. There you go, guys. Thank you so much. Let me know what you think. Am I too enamored by this box that it's a silly box? But I just think it's genius. Whoever came up with this, it wasn't me, is a genius. It's a box genius. It's like origami. You know, origami, you don't use glue. So there you go. And you guys have a wonderful day.